back to my channel. I am Sheba Renee and thank you for tuning in today. Today I want to share with you guys 7 items that are essential to me in my water washing only regimen, okay? They are essential because these 7 items are something that I use daily throughout the week. And it makes life easier, especially with this water washing only method, just a little bit more relaxing to do this method. So if you are interested, sit back, relax, keep watching. Those that are new and watching, hit that subscribe button for me and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos yet to come. And let's jump on into this right about now. So the first item I want to talk to you guys about today would be spray bottles. Spray bottles are so essential in a water washing only method because water is essential in a water washing only method. Of course, you have to have water on deck at all times. So if you are not up under the shower or any type of faucet, spray bottle is your next bet, okay? Spray bottles. I have all different ones. I have the misters. I got my new spray bottle, you guys. Isn't she lovely? I got this, you guys, a couple of days ago. I was just like over the top when I seen it and I just had to get me one. So yeah, and I want to share with you guys that is essential is applicator bottles are essential in my regimen because I do a lot of DIY recipes and it's easier to apply to the hair if I have things in an applicator bottle. Like this is a conditioner that I have already whipped up, one of my DIY conditioner recipes. This is my DIY Flexi Gel, my hibiscus Flexi Gel that I like to make. I will leave links in the description box below on some of my DIY recipes, hence this Flexi Gel. I like to keep my whatever type of oil, but right now I have castor oil inside of here for my hot oil treatments, or it makes it a lot easier to apply those oils to your scalp for your hot oil treatments. Am I correct? Yeah, I know I am. Moving on, a cheesecloth, you guys. This is the third one. A cheesecloth. Here we go with my talk. Y'all know sometimes it happens. A cheesecloth is very essential because when I do my DIY recipes, this captures a lot of the leftovers inside of the mixes. Make sure you don't have any lumps, all of the pulp that may be inside of the aloe vera plant or inside of the avocado, the thingies that's inside of, I don't know what it's called, but I'm being real, the stuff that's inside of bananas when you do a banana mix or whatever the case may be. A cheesecloth, you guys, I need to clean this too, catches all of that, okay? So that's very essential for me because I do a lot of DIY recipes to take care of my hair on this water washing only method, okay? Number 4 for my essential items, you guys, are shower caps. Shower caps are very essential, okay? And I like to get the disposable ones because I do a lot of DIY recipes and hot oil treatments. So I particularly like these because they're $1 and they can have cute different colors, so yeah. But very essential for my water washing only method. Yes. Number 5 for the water washing only method is a Boar Bristle. Okay. A Boar Bristle brush. That was so hard to say. No wonder people say BB brush, right? I'm gonna just say that, BB brush. Very essential, 100% though, okay? Has to be 100%, or do the best you can, whatever you can. 100% BB brush. It would be very essential for you guys with this method because this brush will catch any kind of debris and dirt and build up dust on your hair, and it also brings down the sebum and the oils on your scalp, and it also smooths your hair out, and it's a good massage for the scalp as well. So a Boar Bristle brush, it's essential for me. It may not be essential for you. I have an alternative though. If you are not interested in the Boar, I'm not even going to say BB brush. If you're not interested in the BB brush, you might want to opt for a wooden comb. Now this is a sandalwood comb that I purchased off of Amazon. It comes with a pretty cool case, a nice little case to keep it in. But this right here is also good for pulling the oils down your hair and smoothing the oils through your hair. It's not rough on your hair. It doesn't snag your hair. You cannot use this when your hair is wet. Okay, that defeats the purpose. This is wood. You would not want to do that. You will destroy your comb. Nice massager for your scalp. I sometimes massage my scalp with this comb as well. Okay, which leads me to number 5, scalp massager. This is very essential in my water washing only method, you guys. I use it daily, every day. I massage my scalp with this. It aids in good hair. There I go again. It promotes hair growth. Okay, it circulates blood flow to the scalp, which is awesome for aiding in hair growth, and that also promotes sebum production, which is another thing being on this water washing only method, you guys. That sebum production you want to balance out, and plus that also protects it, conditions it, and that's the whole purpose of me being on this method. Last but not least, I know I said 7 things, okay, but I'm gonna push this one in there. But we all know this last one that I'm about to say is like automatic, but I gotta throw it in there anyway, just so you guys know that I do it. Just so you know that I do it, you know what I'm saying? And protect that hair at night, okay? I have me my satin bonnet, okay? And then I have my silk scarf. So I pick and choose whatever I feel like putting on that night, whatever I feel like is comfortable for the style that I am wearing, and whatever the case may be, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up for me, you guys, and mosey on down to the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos yet to come. And then go down to the comment box below and drop a comment for me. I'm all here for it, okay? So until then, I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out.